Hello everyone, and welcome to this special World Bee Day embroidery tutorial. Today, we'll create a beautiful bee-themed design to celebrate these incredible pollinators. As we stitch, let's learn some fascinating and fun facts about bees. World Bee Day. Did you know May 20th is World Bee Day? It's dedicated to raising awareness about the vital role bees play in our ecosystem and the threats they face. Bee populations are declining due to habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. We can help by planting flowers, avoiding pesticides, and supporting local beekeepers. The hexagon mystery. Have you ever wondered why honeycombs are hexagonal? The hexagon shape allows bees to store the maximum amount of honey with the least amount of wax, showcasing their incredible efficiency and engineering skills. The bee dance. Have you heard about the bee dance? When a worker bee finds a good source of nectar, it performs a waggle dance to show other bees where to find it. This dance communicates the direction and distance to the flowers. Fun fact: bees can recognize human faces. They use this ability to distinguish between flowers and potential threats. Did you know that one bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in a single day? This makes them incredibly efficient pollinators, ensuring plants can produce seeds and fruit. There are over 20,000 bee species. Honeybees produce honey, while bumblebees are excellent pollinators, especially in cooler climates. How we can help. Plant a variety of flowers that bloom at different times and create a bee bath with shallow water for them to drink. Thanks for joining me in this World Bee Day embroidery tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning about bees while stitching this lovely design. Remember, every effort helps support these vital pollinators.